I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know. I've been MIA. I was supposed to start short hair since May. And today is June 11th. You can't see it. But it's June 11th. Yeah. But I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Freshly relaxed. My hair is super thick. It's curly. I don't know if you're gonna catch that on camera. Excuse the ashy knuckles. She just finished washing her hair. Thank you. But anyway, yes, freshly relaxed. I use Hawaiian Silky. Everything has stayed the same because I think I showed you guys like what I've been using on my hair. I'm gonna try to link that video, but I know I showed you guys. But I'm still using a Hawaiian Silky relaxer. I actually changed up my neutralizer shampoo. I'm gonna go get that in a second. But I just want to show you what I've been using on my hair under my frontal units. Good old olive oil. Good old olive oil. Extra. Get your life. I haven't been on camera in a while, so I'm gonna get my life. Extra virgin olive oil. I've been using that. Oh my god. I've also been using this one and only argan oil Moroccan trees restorative mask. I used to use this back in the day and I thought that they stopped making this, but when I saw it in my beauty supply store, I was like, oh, she getting this. Also the moisture repair shampoo. I saw my girl Larisha Andrea, I love her, but she doesn't do short hair anymore, but that's okay, still love her. This is the Miracle Worker 14-in-1, so it's like a leave-in. So this is my go-to now. So when I'm not wearing my real hair, I definitely still take care of my hair underneath. That's why it's curly. I'm like, where has these curls been all my life? But okay. But yeah, I've really been trying to just take care of my hair under my units because I knew that eventually I was going to come back with the short hair slayage. I'm going to do something simple today. I'm going to do my short sides, but as you can see, my hair has grown out, the back, the sides. Hubby's at work, and he normally cuts my hair, so we're not going to, you know, change that up. So yeah, I'm going to do something where I'm just going to like side part, mold it down, and do something really quick and easy. I'm going to be back with my short hair shaved sides, but for the sake of me not wanting to cut my own sides, I'm going to do a style that kind of mimics short hair shaved sides without me having shaved sides, if that makes any sense. But I've also been using this Tangle Teezer. I use this for my real hair and for my bundles, and I love this. Oh my god, Tangle Teezer, where have I been? Where have I been? And like I said, my hair is curly now, so that's kind of different, but I've been taking care of it differently, so my curls are popping, so it's cute. I mean, if I wanted to do something like slick down and like have this curly, I could, and all that other cute stuff, but we ain't doing that today. No. My tried and true do-rag, because I like my hair to be really slick. My Nairobi, you already know, my Nairobi is like my go-to. And also my mesh wrap. She's over there. I'm not going to be using her today because my hair is, my sides are not shaved, so I'm not going to be using my mesh wrap, but she's still here. And I got a new one. Oh my god. But yes, I'm going to show you my neutralizing shampoo, and I'm just going to get right into styling. So this is my neutralizing shampoo. It's by Motions. So Hawaiian Silky relaxer, and I'm using the sulfate-free active moisture neutralizing shampoo. Smooth and silken. It has shea butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. I'm just trying to be all about this hydration, whether I'm doing my own hair or wearing my frontals and all my cute little curly hair and stuff like that. I still want to take care of my hair underneath, And I did want to give my hair a break. And it's cold in New York, so I can't do short hair all throughout the year. I wish I could, but it gets so cold in New York. I ain't playing with y'all. So this is the shampoo, and I'm going to get to styling. My hair, I'm going to be molding it and using the Nairobi with the mesh wrap. And I'm going to be tying it down with my do-rag, and I'm going to be sitting under the dryer. So I'm going to let you watch me style his hair.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.
So my skin is prepped and primed, and I pop my contacts in because you already know. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It is too dry. Too dry. This is in the color Nutmeg. Let me shake this up. And this is the Born This Way foundation. This is medium to full, but it's very light to medium. In my opinion, this is chai. So this is too matte. This is too like dewy. So I'm going to mix them two on the back of my hand and go in with my foundation. So yeah, hopefully everything is dry under here, because I cannot sit under that dry. So I'm going to show you my everyday foundation routine. This is not my normal foundation brush, but I'm being lazy and I don't feel like getting it. So this should get the job done, hopefully. I'm going to take some Laura Mercier powder on this Morphe M504 brush and just set my lids since I'm not doing any shadow. So I'm going to blend it out and then I'm going to set it. I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer and butterscotch and the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Wait, so I did Can't Stop, Won't Stop and the Born This Way. Now I'm taking the concealers. Just realized that. But this is in butterscotch, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And then this is in warm honey. This is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And then this is the Born This Way. Butterscotch and warm honey. So I'm going to take this Black Radiance palette, contour palette, and it is in the color medium to dark. I'm going to use this for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this for contour and all of that. This is my go-to. She is getting there. She's getting there. But definitely I love this palette for crease colors and lid colors and contour. I don't really use the highlight, but I may use the highlight today just to be fun. But yeah, I like just setting my contour, and you're going to see what I'm going to do. So now that my under eyes are set, I'm going to just carve out my contour and start working on my eyes.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
So the back is not dry at all. So I'm going to have to hit it with the blow dryer. I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair has gotten so thick. I did not want to leave the relaxer in too long. So I feel like it's good enough once I press it out. So I'm going to be using my baby. I missed her. The Nano Titanium Babyless, the tiny one. And also the Nano Titanium Babyless. So this is, I think, an inch. I think it's an inch. Not too sure. But I'm going to try to go back and forth. Your girl may be rusty, but I'm going to bang out the style. I'm going to trim my hair a little bit, just so that it's even a little bit, and then go ahead. So I think I'm gonna blow it out a little bit more, then curl it. No, blow it out, cut it, and then curl it. So let's go. I'm here blowing my hair out, about to curl it, and I forgot that I didn't put my heat protectant. So I told y'all I'm rusty. So I'm gonna take my Chi Iron Guard, I'm gonna spray it lightly throughout the hair, and then I'm gonna re-blow dry it. I'm too rusty, but I'm gonna get back on this short hair game. Okay, so I had to curl some of this off camera because it was getting to me, girl. It was getting to me. I just curled this going back. All of this is coming to the front, and these are going down. Okay, TV. So yeah, just curled it. I'm gonna turn around and curl. The back, and then I'm gonna take this comb and just lightly comb it. I got the She's Balm Edge Control. I like this one for natural hair, and then the Balm Goo for baby hair, like on your frontal. I didn't know that she had two, so I've been using this on my daughter's edges whenever I get a chance to do them. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my baby hairs, comb it out, throw on some earrings. I'm just gonna wear it like this until hubby can cut my sides. But yeah, this is what we got going on.
dreaming. I've been 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 dreaming. Dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
I need a shape up in the back. I need him to taper it. And I need a shape up in the front. But this is as good as it's going to get for today.